Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be exploring Class 8 Maths Chapter 9, Algebraic Expressions and Identities. So, in Class 7, we had another chapter called Algebraic Expressions. That was an introduction. So if you want to watch that, please do go into the playlist section, click on Class 7 Maths NCERT and go to Algebraic Expressions chapter and just review that video because then this will get very easy for you. So let's begin. Now, we have learned about terms in the last in Class 7. Terms, I will tell you again, is that when you separate a value with a operation, then we call that a term. Now, what is a polynomial? A polynomial is any numbers of terms. So in Class 7, we learned about monomial, binomial, and trinomial. But in Class 8, we're going to learn about polynomial. Any number of terms. Even 2x is a polynomial. 2x plus 1 minus 3x is also it's not writing. It's also a polynomial. So that's a polynomial. So let's rub all this out and continue. Now, anywhere you write a variable, if you write it zx or xz, they are both the same things. Keep that in your mind and let's move on. Addition in rows. Now, if you have add this with this with this. So 4xy plus 5yz minus 3x plus 4yz plus 3zx minus 4y minus xz plus 5x minus 2xy. Now how do we do that? Now the method that we learned in Class 7 was just to make it into a line and keep all the like terms together. But here we're going to be talking about rows. How you add like 21 plus 31 and then you add them up like 2 and 5. We're going to be doing this like that. So we have wrote all of our expressions in a row, but we have kept our like terms in the same row. So as you can see, 4xy is with minus xy, plus yz is with 4yz, minus 3xz is with plus 9zx minus 3zx, plus and minus 4y doesn't have a body, so it's going to be by itself, plus 5x doesn't have a body, so it's going to be by itself. Now we solve it. Plus 5x plus nothing is plus 5x. Minus 4y plus nothing is minus 4y. Minus 3xz plus 9xzx is the same thing. So which one's bigger? 9 is bigger. I mean, plus minus is minus. 9 is bigger, so you get the sign of 9. So it's gonna be 6 plus 6zx. Then plus 6zx minus zx will be 3xz or zx. Anyway, plus 5, it's basically 5 plus 4, which is 9. So we just carry the variables with them. Then 4xy minus 2xy is 2xy. That's how you can do addition in rows. Now there's another thing called subtraction in rows. Now how do we do that? If you have a question, y squared plus 4xz minus 2x squared minus 4xz, we're going to be doing it in rows. Now if you have a question like y squared minus y squared blah blah blah, take away from 2y squared blah blah blah, it's not going to be y squared minus that, it's going to be 2y squared blah 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 minus y squared. Okay, so if you have take away 2 from 4, you're gonna do 4 minus 2, not 2 minus 4. Okay, that's exactly what I'm trying to say. Now we get these together, but there's a twist in subtraction. The bottom row that you're lining up will change their sign. So minus will become plus and plus will become minus. And then we just do whatever we need to do with them, which will give us this answer. Okay? Monomial by monomial multiplication. Now, if we have 2x times 3x, you will just multiply 2 times 3 is 6, x times 6 is x square, and y by itself is y. Now, monomial by binomial is 2x times 5y plus 2. But in this one, you multiply 2x by 5y first, then you multiply 2x by 2. So that's going to give us 2x times 5y is going to be 10xy, and 2x times 2 is going to be 4x, and that's going to be our answer. Now, if you're doing monomial by trinomial, the same thing will happen. So if you've got that theory in your mind, then you can do any number. Now, binomial by binomial is going to be the same as well. First, you multiply x with 2x, and then minus 4 with, x with 2x, x with 3, then minus 4 with 2x, and then that with 3. Okay? So, I've multiplied them to get this. 2x squared plus 3x minus 8x minus 12. Now we have got like terms in the middle. So we can simplify that more, which will give us 2x squared minus 5x minus 12. Now same will happen with binomial and trinomial, and same will happen with trinomial with trinomial. So if you've got the theory again, then you can do whatever number you like. Let's move on. Now, identities. There are 3 formulas that we are used to. A plus b whole square, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab, which is very easy, we use it all the time. But a minus b whole square is going to be a square plus b square minus 2ab. So that's our identity right there. Then we've got another identity, which is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b in brackets, and then we've got a minus b in brackets. So that's our 3 identities that we always use. But there's a new identity, which is x plus a in brackets and x plus b in brackets is equal to x squared plus a plus bx plus ab. So quite a complicated one, but I'm going to simplify that. Now, if you have a question like 25 times 20, you're not going to go ahead and do 25 times 20 and then do the times table and all that. You don't need to do that because you have got a way better way. Now, let's take, let's take 20 plus 25 in one bracket and 20 plus 0 in one bracket. We can do that, right? Yeah, we can do that. Now, if you have x squared, so x here is 20. So we're going to write 20 square plus, this is a, this is b, so 5 plus 0 x times x, which is going to be 20 plus 5 and 0. Okay? Now let's use our identity. 20 times 20 is going to be 400 plus 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 times 20 will be 5 times 2 is 10, so that's going to be 100 plus 5 times 0 is 0, so it's going to be 0. And then 400 plus 100 is going to be 500. So 25 times 20 is equal to 500. With that, we have finished this chapter. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something new, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.